Alright, take 2. Battery decided to die. So we're just past Chandlar Shelf. You're on the GoPro because I don't even want to be touching a camera. The road right now's in okay shape, but coming up Chandlar, holy cow, it is in worse shape than I've ever seen it. I literally put her in 4 just because I was bumping over berms. Wow. I don't know how the semis are doing it today. We'll see what Atigun looks like. Once we get on the north side of Atigun, it should be fairly good. Even though I'm actually expecting to hold the snow for a while because I started picking up the snow just about 10 miles north of Succotac, mile 202. So right around 215, 216 is where I started picking up the snow. And we're now just crawling along 27. This is definitely no joke today. Catch a patch of ice, you're gone. I was expecting a little bit of snow, but I was not expecting this. So I'm actually just running summer tires. I haven't felt any slide. We're on dirt, so it's actually got a good grip underneath. And I'm seeing tires are biting in pretty darn good, so I was going to try to use some footage with the drone and Atigun. And I think this cloud bank is so socked in that by the time I get up here, it's not even going to feasibly be worth it. I'll probably be sitting in fog. Tour SUV northbound on the south side of Atigun. I will say it is an absolutely beautiful day. That's another reason why I wanted to record this. North Slope style. By the way, today's the 24th of September. For those that don't know about this pass, Atigun Pass is the tallest pass in Alaska. So we're going to crest up well above the 4,000 foot mark. Now that's, according to most elevations of normal mountain pass, that's not much. I know like Fremont crests out 11,000. Battle Mountain, about 11,000, 12,000. Independence Pass, 13,000. Wolf Creek, 10,000. So, in all actuality, Atigun is not a tall pass. However, this is one of the most fearsome passes in my consideration in North America. Mainly because you've got all these avalanche slides. This is quite common for this type of visibility. Its visibility can be rather poor. It's very narrow. You've got to be really on your game. It has got its rewards because you're now going to drop into the slope. You talk about Wildlife Central, you talk about some absolute beauty up on the slope. It is truly amazing. But you do not, and I emphasize, you do not take this pass for granted. You don't take this road for granted. This road can and will kill you quickly. There's dangers up here that you won't see anywhere else. But, like I said, it's got its